Hi everyone, welcome to the YouTube channel. In this video, we will see how to scheduleize an Instagram post from a PC. So if you want to scheduleize the post so you can post it later on Instagram from your PC, I'll show you the easiest way to do it. So basically to post any post on Instagram scheduleized way, you have to go to the Meta Business Suite. Make sure you have created your account onto it and you also have linked your Instagram with it. Once you're done, then you have to simply open it up and then you will see this option here. Like you can see the Instagram is connected, and then you will see the option for create a post or anything like that. You can click onto this option and it will show you all of your profiles. Make sure you have only selected the Instagram one. Then you can simply upload the file that you want to use, like a video or maybe a picture. Once you're done that, you can just simply add its description and all other things. Then you will see this option for scheduling options. You have to simply enable it, and then you have to set a time. You can set the date and then you can set the time, like the hour and the minutes in which you want the post to get published on Instagram. So this is just the scheduling. You can click on schedule, and when the times come, the post will get published on Instagram. So that's how you will be able to publish or scheduleize a post on Instagram through your PC. I hope you find this video helpful and informative. Make sure to subscribe to the YouTube channel for more informative videos and updates. You can leave a like, comment. If you have any queries, feel free to ask. Thank you so much for watching the video.